I'm back with another video, and we're playing Natural Disaster Survival again, because the last video, it actually did really good, way better than I expected. So yeah, I can't really see anything, so I'm kind of seeing pause recording for a second. So if you can see it, it's right down there. You can barely see anything there. So yeah. If you want, we can skip and play, I'll be generous. I'll just force you to skip. Just go off the wall. So people started coming back, so I decided to start recording because some people are idiots, just like that guy. So we're basically just playing this because last video actually did crazy. We almost have 30 views on that, so I thought that I would just do it again because you guys seem to love it. And also nobody speaks, and I feel like I don't speak English. That's great. Hi. So there's a dog, there's a cat, there's that dog thing. This, I already can tell that this is going to go a bit weird. So yeah, if we get 5 likes on this video, then I'll make another natural disaster survival video. Actually, I'll probably just end up doing one anyway, but you can still leave a like. Just to show your support. So it looks like I'm thinking acid rain or something this game. So I'm gonna head into this place. Oh wait, it might be a tornado. It's possible too. Let's go up here. It's a wonderful day, not cloudy at all. People are still trying to get up here right now. Tornado! Yes, I knew it! I literally knew it, bro. I called it. I almost just died there. Yeah, notice how my health is really low. Yeah, that's a casual day, just a normal day. So this is a wonderful day. You know, I'm gonna go surfing. Let me on, I wanna go surfing. Come on, let me go, I wanna go surfing. Ah! My hair, or my hat. No, my hat's gone, I'm bald. Yes. Pick me up. Tornado, pick me up. Pick me up. Come on. Oh yeah, I was surfing on a piece of glass there for a second. And now I'm just getting crushed. Help, wait, dog, help. There we go. Dog, save me. You're supposed to save me. Oh, I'm definitely not supposed to be saving you. Well, I survived. Let's go. Someone just said, "Mommy." Your mommy will not help you. So I probably could have just stayed in the tower thing and be fine. Anyway, I'm gonna jump off and get my hair back, or my hat. I'm not like being bald. There we go. Modest headquarters. Let's go. I actually love this map. Just because, if it's acid rain, you have so many floors to protect you. And plus, you can just chill in the basement. Plus, you have, all of this protection right here. So usually what I normally do is I go to about, right around here. And then I wait to see what it is. It's looking like a sandstorm. So I'm gonna just go ahead and come down here. Oh, actually, no, I forgot. Sandstorm, you can't like hide from it. That's a blizzard. Alright, sandstorm, dodge flying objects. Sweet. This place is already about to snap. Snap, crackle, this, like my ankles. Things are gonna start snapping and crackling, just like my ankles whenever I try to play soccer. And I can't even get up there. Oh, that's nice. Find my big stuff. Yeah. Ow! And I'm dead. No, I did not. This is kind of trying. Yeah, once again, I'm not really going to be able to see anything from out here, so I'll probably just let you guys just chill for like a split second, but it's going to feel like 6 years from now. I have located the building. Yeah, just go back to having split seconds of, yeah, just, okay, there we go. Now it's done. So, you chilling, we will be chilling. So yeah, that place is kind of destroyed. Just a little bit. Also, what is that thing? Let me see your face. Let's see your face, dude. What is that? I don't know, I think that's cat. Anyway, we got Rainbow Ride again. This is where my thing fell and almost flew into the water. Also, is that a Fortnite thing? You know what? Let's recreate that. Let me jump on someone's head. Come on! Alright, I'm gonna get in the same exact cart that I did when that almost flew into the water. So it's not this one. It's actually this one. Okay, yeah. It's always a struggle trying to get into these things. Anyway, no, like, clouds in this, so hopefully it's not an earthquake. If it's a flash flood, I don't know. I really suck. I said don't be an earthquake. Earthquake happens. Bro, my cat literally just went outside. That's why I fell. My cat just walked outside. Oh no, I think it was this guy. Marshmallow. This marshmallow dude. I think it was him. I blame this guy. He's a very fat cat. With a very small brain. See what's going on and email. Okay. Cause you're fat and ugly and we need positivity, yeah. During this time of war, what do you mean to it for chaos? That's what this chat is. Just pure chaos. This guy just said hi. After arguing with this person, he just said hi. He's been calling people emo and then he just says hi. Nice. It's just a triangle of humanity. The triangle of life. It's not the circle of life, it's the triangle of life. Alright. So Fortnite dude survived. Anyway, yep, so this get to wait for the next round. Oh my god, this guy's the king. Super cool ninja king. The super cool ninja king. Bro, who doesn't love Super Cool Ninja King? I want to go hang out with Super Cool Ninja King. Super Cool Ninja King, don't go that way. Oh yeah, he can go that way. Stupid, no, Super Cool Ninja King. Super Cool Ninja King spent a Robux on this game just to die. I swear, if this guy pushes me, don't push me. Don't push me. Yeah, you can, yeah, just, bye. You can stay over there. COVID-19 is happening right now. I didn't mean that. That's probably not good. A very bad disease. This guy's gonna give me a cold. No, stop it. Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away. You guys stay in the corner over there. I don't want none of your diseases. Yeah. Fall off and die. I know you're right there. There's so much disease down there. What is that thing driving on that car? Is that a... Bro, that's literally what I mean by the triangle of life, bro. Now that's the person that's calling people emo. But look at all that disease down there, bro. That person's literally just trying to infect that person. There's just so many people just chilling over there. Like in this space right here. Can I get this thing off my screen, please? Alright, so, what is this thing? Oh, it's Bill. Okay. Alright, let's see what's next. How's that guy down there? Factory Frenzy. I actually don't... I feel like this might be a new map. Because I actually don't remember this one. Also, clouds are going above us, so I'm probably just gonna head inside here. Yeah, that doesn't sound good. And it's probably not good. So I'm gonna just like go up here. Oh my god! Oh my god, what just happened? Did that just spawn on me? That just spawned on me. Bro, so many people just died. Like, the people that were, like, if you saw them, like, the people that were sitting, like, right up there, a little bit above me, just got absolutely obliterated. Bro, what? That is actually crazy, though. There's just people just chilling out on the dock. I want the tornado to go right there, like, just absolutely obliterate them. Well, that's probably just gonna wrap things up for now. My dad messaged me telling me I need a shower, so that's gonna have to wrap things up for now. So I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya. Okay, don't put me in. Okay, bye guys. Please subscribe and leave a like to support me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.